Hey guys, welcome back to my unboxing channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this epic figure. It's epic. It's epic. Here's the side, the back, and the other side. Yeah, this looks pretty cool. Okay, let's open this up. With one hand, because I'm using this hand to record with my phone. Okay, it's taking a long time. How's your guys' days going? I hope it's good. Right now it's like almost nighttime. It's raining out. It's not the best day, but you know, if I stay positive, and it'll be a good day. I actually can't open this. I'm sorry. Okay, I got this. Got it. Peel back the tape. That didn't do anything. What's your guys' favorite video game? Question of the day. I might edit a thing. Is it gonna be right here? The text question of the day. What is your favorite video game of all time? My favorite video game of all time would have to be probably Sonic Unleashed. I think Sonic Unleashed is a super cool game because I really like Sonic, and I feel like some of his best levels of all time came from Sonic Unleashed. You know, you should watch my other video, top 10 video games of all time. It's actually on that list. Link in the description. Okay, now back to this video. I'm still trying to open this. Back to the unboxing. It's more like unplasticking right now because I can't open it up. Hold up. Yeah, it's gonna go dark for a bit. I turned off the lights so you couldn't see me struggle. Me trying to open this up. Okay. So what's your guys' favorite vegetable? I think my favorite vegetable is second question of the day. I think my favorite vegetable is gotta be potatoes. Potatoes are so good, guys. Like, if you haven't eaten a potato before, you should. Change your life. You could eat like mashed potatoes, fried potatoes, what's it called? Potatoes? There's like an amber alert going on in the background or something. It's like tornado warning. As I was saying, potatoes are just kind of awesome. You should really eat them if you don't already. Okay guys, turn the lights back on. I have not opened it yet. I don't got no scissors. By the way, here's my gamer laptop. It's portable though. That's what matters. I might cut, but I'm gonna cut to where I have it opened. I'm sorry guys. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm not gonna lie to you. It took me like 10 minutes to get the plastic wrapping off, but there we go. Now we can get back to the unboxing. Tape. See that? See that right there? That like the reflection is tape. Hope I don't struggle with it too. Let's go. Okay. Gotta open it carefully. You don't want to damage the boxes. If I can. Come on. Come on. Why can't I open it? Okay, I got it. Okay. Can't. Let's go. It's out of the box. That's the unbox. Okay, I shouldn't do that. I should be careful. That's the unboxing, guys. It's inside the box. That's pretty cool. I like the color orange. It's one of my favorite colors. Next to red. Here's in the back some screenshots of the gameplay. I think it looks pretty awesome. The devs did a really good job with this. Okay. Oh no! I should have. Okay, so get out of this plastic prison. More amber lists. Guys, if something happens midway through the video, you know why. Because like it's tomorrow morning. No! Okay, guys, let me put this down. Okay, I turned off the lights so you don't have to see me open it up. It's starting to fall out. I've heard that these are pretty cheaply made. No, not really, but like they're delicate. If you like, let's just say you drop them on the floor, they'll break into like a million pieces, and you don't want that to happen. So you usually just have them at a show. But I think it's pretty cool. So, what did I do? I'm sorry guys, I'm so glad you didn't have to see that. I'm so glad you didn't have to see that. What did I do? I dropped something. I don't know guys, I don't know where it is. I'm not gonna turn the lights on. Of course. I don't want to see you. You guys don't want to see me cry. Oh. It was only what? It was only one piece. Okay. Take the other thing out carefully. What? Because these things, they weren't held in place by a sticker. These other things. Oh my god, you guys! I lost the sad face. I think it was a sad face. I'll look for it later, guys. Right now I'm shooting a video. Okay, I'll turn the lights back on. This was what's in there. Here's a set of hands, because these are posable figures. I saw on Twitter that people would take awesome pictures, and that's why I wanted one, so I could post awesome pictures on Twitter. Here's a big backpack, super detailed. I like that. It's awesome. Hand of a phone. Here's a winky face, so you can give her a winky face. Here's a praying hands, because you gotta pray sometimes. Video camera, it's not focusing, but it's a video camera, guys. And then here's Neo herself. I need to get her out of this stuff. I don't have this. The stand is in there, so she's not gonna take it. Oh my god, no! Not gonna stand. Let me take it out. I'll end off the video. Yeah, I'm turning off the lights again. I'll end off the video pretty soon, guys. It's getting late. I have to sleep soon. Not really. I need to edit this video once I finish recording. And look for that sad face, because I really need that for pictures to post on Twitter. Follow my Twitter, guys. Link in the description. I got the stand. Actually, not yet. I'm sorry, guys. I lied. I lied, guys. Hold up, I'll turn the lights back on soon. Yep, sorry about that, guys. Oh my god. God. Holy moly. I'll open that up later, guys. Here's the stand. You know, I'm stupid, I don't know. But I don't know how to put it. I'm new to this, guys. Please don't tease me. I'm new to this. Okay, let me put that there. Hey, it looks like a lamp. You know the lamp from Pixar? It goes boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I think it reminds me of that. And then you just hold up. Let me turn the lights off again, guys. I'm sorry. So you don't have to see me do this. This is kind of graphic. You like stab them in the back. It's like, oh my god. Kind of graphic, guys. You don't want to see this. Oh, the tight fit. Okay, I got it. I'm sorry. Inconvenience. Oh, plastic stickers. Oh my god. Why is this so hard? How do people do this? Okay guys, I got it. I think. That looks kind of fresh. It's a pretty weird pose. I'll fix it later. You know, Meow's one of my favorite video game characters. Actually, I really like the level where you play as her and then you shoot random people. I think that's a pretty cool level. So guys, this is it. This is my first unboxing video, so I don't know what else I should do. But I guess I'll give it a rating. I guess I'll rate it, honestly, I'll give it an 8 out of 10. It scared me at first, but actually worth it. It's a cool looking figure, guys. I recommend, please get it. But not from the deep web though. Okay guys, goodbye. Cue outro.